So now we're going to code bubble sort. We're going to pick up where we left off in the last video, and I'm going to shrink this down into the corner here so we have room for our code. And we're going to say function bubble sort, and we're going to pass it the array that we're going to sort. And as we discussed in the last video, this is obviously going to be a for loop inside of a for loop. So here's the first for loop. So we're going to set I equal to the length minus 1. So remember, the first time we went through it was 5 times, even though we had 6 items. And then we're going to decrement each time, because the next time we want to go through 4 times, then 3 times, etc. And this second for loop, we're going to go while j is less than I. So this makes it where the first time through, we're only going through 5 comparisons, and then the next time 4 and 3, because we're doing it while j is less than I. So for the comparisons, we're going to say if the item at j is greater than j plus 1. So this is going to be j the first time through our loop, and this is j plus 1. And in this case, we are going to switch them. And this is what we'll use to switch them. Let's walk through this. We're going to say let temp equal array j. So that's temp is equal to this value. J equals j plus 1 is going to take that 2 and move it over. And then j plus 1 equals temp is going to put that value there. So that's going to switch those 2 values. And then after we get done running through these for loops, the only thing left to do is to return the array. So let's go take a look at this code in DevTools. And for the array that we're going to pass it, I'm just going to put this back the way it was. It's going to be the array in this order. So let's flip over to DevTools and take a look at this. So there is our function there, and that's the array that we're going to sort. So the only thing we have to do is to hit run, and then we come down here, and this is the array that gets returned 1 through 6. And that is how we code bubble sort.